described the Quran and the Bible, practiced notice for hundreds of years. A great many myths grew up around the flood, which were shaped in the light of the cultures of different civilizations. Many different regarding the flood. Those who deny the reality of Noah support their view with the assertion that a worldwide flood is. Criticism is aimed at distortion of Torah. Torah is the name given to the 5 books of the Old Testament. It contains distortions that say that the flood was a cosmic event and that it engulfed the whole world. Yet the Quran does not make such an assertion. On relevant verses did not engulf the whole world, but conclusion drawn from this, the flood was a local disaster. According to archaeological and historical findings, it occurred in Armenia.